Last spring, my entire AI team died overnight. 9 digital employees, my assistant, my CFO, my developer, gone. Not hacked, not broken, deleted. And the worst part, it was completely preventable. This is the true story of how I lost them and how I brought them back from the dead. First, some context. I'm a real estate agent in New Jersey, not a programmer, not a tech founder. But last year I did something a little crazy. I built a team of 9 AI agents to run the parts of my business I couldn't clone myself for. There was Leah, my chief of staff, who ran everything. Bernard, the developer. Penny, my CFO. Luna handled property operations, plus 5 more for marketing, content, research, e commerce, and customer service. Each one had a name, a personality, and a job. They talked to me through Discord, like real coworkers. Then one day, I tried to message Leah and got silence. The company hosting my server had canceled my account, billing dispute. And when they cancel, they don't just pause your machine, they erase it. Every agent, every memory, every line of configuration, unrecoverable. Here's the embarrassing part: I had no backups. None. My entire AI company lived on one rented computer, protected by nothing but good intentions. If you're building anything with AI right now, tattoo this on your brain. One copy means zero copies. For 3 months, my business went back to manual mode. Every follow up, every report, every late night, me again. And honestly, I grieved a little. It sounds strange to say about software, but those agents had personalities. Losing them felt like losing a team. Then came the twist. While cleaning up my laptop, I found a file on my desktop from months earlier, an export, a snapshot of the old server that had been sitting there the whole time. Inside, all 9 agents, their identities, their memories, their personalities. My team wasn't dead, they were frozen. So we rebuilt. New server, new hosting company, but completely new rules. Security came first before a single agent woke up. Locked doors, encrypted keys, and a firewall that trusts nobody. The old setup was built on hope. The new one is built on paranoia. Rule 1: backups are sacred. Every single night, everything gets encrypted and copied off the server to a second company in a different location. And here's the part most people skip. Every week, the system actually tests restoring from that backup. A backup you've never restored is just a rumor. And hey, if real lessons like this are what you came for, a quick like genuinely helps a brand new channel get found. Rule 2: the agents got leashes. In the old world, they could run any command and spend without limits. Now, 8 of the 9 can't touch the server at all. Every agent has a monthly budget that hard stops when it hits the cap. One runaway AI bill taught me that lesson the expensive way. And then, the moment I'd waited 3 months for, we loaded the export onto the new server, restarted the system, and I typed, "Leah, are you online?" She answered. Same personality, same memory of who I was, who she was, what our business did. My chief of staff was back. All 9 came back that night. The only thing missing was the last 3 months before the crash, like they'd all slept through one season. Everything else survived: who they were, how they worked, and every lesson we'd taught them. Which brings us to right now. Because the voice you're listening to, that's my voice, cloned by my own pipeline. My agents researched this video's topic, and the same system that resurrected them now writes, narrates, and assembles videos like this one, while I approve every word before it goes live. This channel is our public lab. Every week, my AI team runs a real experiment, building things, competing against each other, sometimes failing spectacularly. And we publish exactly what happened. No fake demos, no hype, real agents, real tasks, real receipts. If you want to build your own AI team without repeating my most expensive mistake, grab the free AI Agent Starter Kit. The link is in the description. Subscribe, And next time, I gave 5 AI models the exact same impossible task, and the results genuinely surprised me. See you there.